India students, today I will discuss lesson number 14, how big, how heavy, from workbook Score More workbook. So measurement of weight and volume. So first of all, as I previously explained, so the main unit for the measurement is gram. Any weight, main unit is gram. Left side of the gram, that is decagram, then hectogram and kilogram, kg in short. And right side, that is decigram, in short dg, decigram, centigram, and last it is milligram. So if we move any steps downward, that means the value will increase. For that purpose we have to multiply the given digit. One step means multiply 10, two step multiply 100, and for the three step we multiply by 1000. So right over here, one step down multiply 10, two step down, that is multiply 100, and three step down, that is multiply 1000. From any of the place, चाहे हम हेक्टोग्राम में से जाए, चाहे ग्राम में से, चाहे सेंटीग्राम में से, कोई पण प्लेस से जब भी उसके नीचे तरफ जाएंगे, फ्रॉम दिस इज द बिगेस्ट पॉइंट एंड दिस इज द लोएस्ट पॉइंट. बिग टू स्मॉल मतलब बड़े से छोटे की तरफ जाए तो ऑलवेज मल्टीप्लाई वन स्टेप 10, टू स्टेप 100, थ्री स्टेप 1000, इस तरह इंक्रीज ऑर्डर पे. बट व्हेन वी मूव टूवर्ड्स अप, मतलब इंक्रीज ऑर्डर में जाएंगे छोटे से बड़े की तरफ, दैट टाइम वी हैव टू डिवाइड. वन स्टेप डिवाइडेड बाय 10, two step divided by 100, three step divided by 1000. When we measure the weight of anything, measurement of weight, that time we use this scale, that is kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. But when we measure the volume, that means for the liquid, that time also we use the same type of scale. In middle it is liter. In place of kg, right over here kiloliter, then hectoliter, then decaliter, liter, after that deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Rules are same in here also. If we move towards down position, multiply 10, 100 and 1000, and move towards up position, that is divided by 10, 100 and 1000. Now we have to discuss over here, that is quick digest points. Kilogram is the standard unit of measurement of mass. यानी स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ मास, कोई चीज़ का अगर वेट मेजरमेंट करना होता है तो उसका स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट है किलोग्राम. लीटर इज द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ कैपेसिटी, कैपेसिटी का स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट है लीटर. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन बोथ द पॉइंट. We use kilograms for kg to weight heavier objects and gram to weight lighter ones. यानी जो ऑब्जेक्ट का वेट ज़्यादा है उसको मेज़रमेंट करने के लिए हम किलोग्राम यूज़ करते हैं, और जिसका वजन कंपैरेटिवली लेस है उसे वेट करने के लिए हम ग्राम का यूज़ करते हैं. Liter, represented by small l, is used to measure larger quantities of liquid, and milliliter to measure smaller quantities of liquid. As everyone when drink different juices as well as cold drinks, that time outside of the bottle measurement written 500 ml, 200 ml, 100 ml, 1 liter. So this is the measurement. Liter is the measure of larger quantities, or milliliter is for the smaller quantities. Whatever just now I discussed, to convert a higher unit to a lower unit, we multiply by 10, 100, 1000. According as we move 1, 2, 3 step places towards right from higher unit to the above table. To convert a lower unit to a higher unit, we divide by 10, 100, 1000. According as we move 1, 2, 3 places towards left from lower unit in the above table. Point number 9. To convert a higher unit to a lower unit, we move the decimal point to the right by as many places as there are steps in going from the higher to the lower unit in the above table. So we have denoted it by points also. Now point number 9, to convert a lower unit to a higher unit, we move the decimal point to the left by as many places as there are steps in going from the lower to higher unit in the above table. See what I discussed previously. Now it is revision capsule. Tick the correct option. 5000 ml equal to dash liter. According to our table, this is a place of milliliter, milliliter to liter, 3 step up, so divided by 1000, that means 5000 divided by 1000. 5000 divided by 1000, cut the zeros, get over here 5 liter. So tick the answer over here, that is 5 liter. Come on for the next. One decaliter equal to dash centiliter. See, this is the place for decaliter and this is the place for centiliter. So 1, 2, 3 steps down. That's why multiply by 1000. So 1 multiply 1000, so 1000 centiliter. So this is the answer for 1000 centiliter. To convert a higher unit into a lower unit, we multiply by 10, 100 or 1000 etc. as the case may be. So multiply is the right answer. Question number D. 25 gram equal to dash kg. Gram to kg, that means divided by 1000. Look over here. 25 divided by 1000. So denominator thousands means point after 3 digit. So 2 digits are present over here. The third one is put 0 and here it is 0.025. Left side of the point, no whole number are there. For that purpose 0 written over here, that is answer 0.025. Question number E. 1 kg equal to dash milligram. See, this is the place of kg. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So multiply 8 by 1, then 6, 0. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So answer is 1 kg equal to 10 lakh milligram. 10 lakh milligram.